Hello children, let us continue with our chapter Organic Chemistry. Before starting the topic, some basic concepts. Like, if one carbon is there in the compound, then the name start with the meth. And if two carbon, then the word used is eth. 3 carbon, then it is prop. 4 carbon, then it is pent. 5 carbon, then it is 4 carbon. Then it is but. 5 carbon, then it is pent. 6 carbon, then it is hex. 7 carbon, hept. 8 carbon, then it is oct. 9 carbon, then it is non. And 10 carbon, then it is dec. So these are the basics. 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon eth, 3 carbon prop, 4 carbon but, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, 7 carbon hept, 8 carbon oct, 9 carbon non, and 10 carbon it is dec. Now organic compounds. Organic compounds. They can be divided into two, that is hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? They are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. And these hydrocarbons, they can be divided into two, that is aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons, and the second one closed chain hydrocarbons. Cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons. Now these aliphatic hydrocarbons, again of two types. One is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. These cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons, they are again of two types, homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds. So this is the classification of organic compounds, hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, they can be aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons or cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons. Aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons, they can be saturated or unsaturated, and cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons, they can be homocyclic or heterocyclic compounds. Now these homocyclic compounds again of two types, that is alicyclic and aromatic. Alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Let us discuss aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons. Aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons. These are of two types. One is saturated hydrocarbons and the second one unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now what are saturated hydrocarbons? They are having carbon-carbon single bond. Having carbon-carbon single bond. And example is alkanes. They are also called paraffins. Now unsaturated hydrocarbons, they are again of two types. One is having carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond, and they are called alkenes or olefins. Second one, having carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon-carbon triple bond, and they are alkynes. Alkynes. So aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbons, they are of two types, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons having carbon-carbon single bond, and alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. They are also called paraffins. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, they can have carbon-carbon double bond. They are alkenes, or they are also called olefins. And second one having carbon-carbon triple bond, and they are called alkynes. Now let us do these saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons, they are alkenes. General formula for alkanes, that is CnH2n plus 2, and they are also called paraffins. How we can make the series of alkanes with this general formula? Let us make the table having 5 columns. Yes, first column molecular formula, second column common name, third one, IUPAC name, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Fourth one, structural formula, and the last one is condensed formula. Now, this is a general formula for alkanes. Let us put the value of N1. If the value of N is 1 here, then it is C1H2 into 1 plus 2, that is CH4. So first member, that is CH4 with the molecular formula CH4, and the common name which is having one carbon into it, word is meth. So this is, because they are alkanes, so this is methane. IUPAC name is the same, that is methane, and this is also called marsh gas. And structural formula, one carbon can form 4 bonds. So this is structural formula, and condensed formula that will remain the same, that is CH4. Second member, if we put the value of N2, this will become C2H6, C2H6, and this is ethane, because with 2 carbon the word is eth, so this is ethane, and structure is, as this is having 2 carbons, so 2 carbon, single bond, 4 bonds, 1 carbon can form, and 4 hydrogen with carbon single bond and 4 bonds of each carbon having hydrogen with the 3 bonds. And how to write the condensed formula? One first carbon that is having 3 hydrogen, so carbon 3 hydrogen, and bonding is there between the carbon, so keep the bonding here, and the second carbon is also having 3 hydrogen, so this is CH3. This is the condensed formula, compact formula. Third member, if you put the value of N3, this is C3H8, and the word root for 3 carbon, that is prop, so this is propane. IUPAC name same, propane, and structural formula 3 carbon in a series and 4 bonds of each carbon with hydrogen. So this is propane, and condensed formula, first carbon is having 3 hydrogen, second carbon that is having 2 hydrogen, and third carbon that is also having 3 hydrogen. So like this we can make the 10 members, 10, 12, how many you want to make, you complete the series with the next members with the name, IUPAC name, common name, structural formula and condensed formula. Next are unsaturated hydrocarbons. That is carbon-carbon double bond alkenes. Let us do first alkenes, carbon-carbon double bond, and general formula for these, that is CnH2n. CnH2n. Make the same table with the same columns. First column, that is molecular formula. Second column, that is common name. Third column, that is IUPAC name. Fourth column, that is structural formula, and last column, that is condensed formula. Condensed formula. Now, because alkenes, they are having carbon-carbon double bond, so first meth compound cannot be made because it is having one carbon into it. So we'll start with the value of N2. So this is C2H4. First member, that is C2H4, and the common name is ethylene. Ethylene, and IUPAC name is ethene. Because they are alkenes, so this is ethene, and structural formula carbon-carbon double bond, and 2 bonds, 4 bonds, 1 carbon can form. So 4 bonds. And condensed formula, first carbon is having 2 hydrogen and double bond, then CH2. Next member with the value of N3, this will be C3H6. And with the 3 carbon, the word is prop, so this is propylene. Propylene, and IUPAC name is propene, and 3 carbon. At one place only we have to put the double bond, either here or here. Let us put here and complete the 4 bonds of each carbon. So this is propene, and condensed formula CH2 double bond CH3. Next member, put the value of N4, this is C4H8. This is butylene. Butene. IUPAC name is butene. 4 carbon. At one place put the double bond, any place. Yes. Complete the 4 bonds of each carbon, 2 and 3, 1 is needed, 1 and H. So what is the condensed formula? First carbon is having 3 hydrogen, then CH, then double bond, then CH, then CH3. So these are alkenes having carbon-carbon double bond. Next unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkynes. Alkynes having carbon-carbon triple bond. And general formula for alkynes, that is CnH2n minus 2. Let us make the series. First member, because they are having carbon-carbon triple bond, so this is there between the 2 carbon. So first member start with the value of N2. So this is C2H2, and the common name is acetylene. Acetylene, and IUPAC name is ethyne. Because they are alkynes, commonly they are called alkynes. So if the C is 2, carbon is 2 in number, then the word used is eth. So this is ethyne, and structural formula carbon triple bond carbon hydrogen and hydrogen. And structural formula, that is triple bond CH. Next member, put the value of N3. So this is C3H4 and this is aniline. And this third with 3 carbon, the word is prop, so this is propyne. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, at one place put the triple bond. So this is triple bond, complete the 4 bonds of each carbon. So CH triple bond CH3. This is the condensed formula. Put the value of N4, that is C4H6, and this is commonly called protonine. And because 4 carbon are there, so this is butane. 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At one place put the triple bond, here only, any one place. 4 bonds of each carbon. So this is condensed formula CH triple bond C, then CH2, then CH3. So this way you can make the series of compounds with the higher numbers also. Thank you.